when you look at the data from HUD and EPA, 2006, they did a study called the American Healthy Home Survey. That's now become the American Healthy Home Survey 1 because in 2019, they came out with the American Healthy Home Survey 2. And when you read that, if you look, there's columns there, if anyone wants to look this up. And the columns show you the prevalence, like how many times was this specific mold found in homes. All of the prevalences of every single mold type went up from 2006 to 2019, which is only a span of 13 years, mind you. And some of these molds, like Urodium, was found in 100% of homes. Okay. Some of these molds that are mycotoxin producing molds went up pretty significantly. Aspergillus is in 97% of homes. Urodium's in 100% of homes. Stachybotrys went up to 37% of homes, I believe. Yeah, there's different mold types. Every single one of those types, I think with the exception of one, increased significantly in prevalence. What that's telling us is that as time goes on, mold is being found in more and more homes across North America. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm concerned. Mm-hmm. And the reason that I'm so concerned is that obviously we are not making the problem better. And if we're not making the problem better over time, that's going to affect our health as a civilization. Because if you look at the prevalence increasing, do you know what else is increasing? Just side by side with the prevalence of water damage inside of buildings that allows mold and bacteria to grow, chronic illness. Mm-hmm. Because today we have over 60% of the global population deals with at least one chronic condition. Let that sink in. Mm-hmm.